I tried to make a trendy chunky yarn bag, and it took me only 15 minutes to make it. The magic about this yarn and bag that you can knit it only with your hands. Like this, I make my first starting loop and adjust the size of it. And then I start threading with the help of my hands like these new loops, making a chain. I need to make a 6 loops chain. The only trick is to make the loops the same size. That's how my 6 loop chain looks like, and there's one open loop left. Now I turn the chain that way and will start threading new loops through these side parts of the chain. I skip the first one cause there's already an open loop, and then starting with the second I thread the yarn making new loops, also checking them to be the same size. I keep threading like this until the end of the chain, and together with the first loop I get 6 new loops. Now I turn the chain around and thread 6 new loops on this side. And that's how the loops for the first row should look, 12 loops around the chain. In my first row I have to thread in this way all 12 loops. As you can see, it's pretty simple to make, the only concern still remains to make the loops the same size. I threaded my first 6 loops and continue knitting like this the other 6. My first row is ready now, and all I have to do next is keep threading 12 loops in every row, 5 more rows, altogether 6 rows. Here I have 3 completed rows, and that's how the pattern should look. I finished the 6th row and the base of the bag is ready now. For the next step I'm leaving 2 meters of yarn as a long tip and cut the rest. And I have to thread this tip through the open loops, but I'm skipping the first loop and starting with the second one I thread like this all 11 left loops. And after I threaded all the loops, I tighten the tip. I arrange the loops to look nice and straight and start to make the handle. I'm taking the loop that I skipped and start threading in it new loops. And all I need to do is a 9 loop chain, again paying attention to all the loops to have the same size. My 9 loop chain is ready now, and I need to connect it on the other side. I'm threading the tip through the side part of the bag and then in the remaining open loop. Tighten it and then hide it inside the bag. And my trendy bag is ready now. What do you think of these kind of bags, and how do you like the result?